If I could come back in 30 years, and that may be a possibility, I would expect to see a much healthier forest. I would expect that we would have controlled or made good inroads at controlling invasive species. I would expect to find a beautiful place that's still whole, that's still in one piece, that is full of flowers and full of healthy trees. And I would expect to find a few more people here than I do right now, because there would be so many more opportunities that will become well known by the folks who are interested in it.